So hey y'all, so I had to come in and just share something with you. So on part of one of my Amazon finds, I had bought this Slut dust. As you know, this is part of the Slutty vegan chain. As you know, it's very popular and black owned. And as I'm opening up my package from Amazon, this was inside. Slutty vegan CBD gummies. There's 100 milligrams, so it's 10 milligrams per gummy. Not only did they give me one, but two, and three of these bad boys. Like, your girl about to have some fun.